I've been working in food safety and quality with leafy greens and fresh cut produce 20 years now, starting in around 1995, and mostly in the Salinas area, but I've worked in operations all over North America as well as all over the world. You know, it's my passion doing food safety and quality because it's one of those great products that people need to eat more of. Yeah, defining the culture of food safety or describing it is very difficult. The way I always first answer it is it's difficult to describe, but you know it when you see it. It's a feeling you have when you're working in that organization. If you look at it just as a very specific example, of course everyone's on board with it. It's in their mission statements and everything, and those are all good. But really, what's the measurement when you get into the operation and talk to them? And that is the decisions that are being made on a regular basis. Their operation begins and ends with it. Do I look at food safety group as just a group that meets all the audit requirements or manages audits? Or are they part of the daily decision making around a growing operation or decision or a purchasing decision? So continuous improvement in any operation is kind of a fundamental prerequisite. You have to always, we're never going to be perfect. As Vince Lombardi said, we strive for perfection, but in the course of getting there, we find excellence, and that's what we can achieve. And so in food safety, it's the same thing. We have to constantly look and see where there's opportunities to improve. No matter what we say with our products, there is some risk. There's risk in any food. And fresh produce, we do not have a kill step per se, and it's sort of ad nauseum that we hear that statement, but I believe we have an arsenal of preventative controls that are designed to intervene and mitigate potential risks. So continuous improvement in regards to produce food safety is really about examining each of those intervention steps, measuring it where we can, and then saying, okay, is this truly effective? Using science to back it up and say, yeah, I know that if I do these three things, I can reduce the risk by this much.